2025 is shaping up to be one of the most exciting years for digital marketing. The rules are changing fast, and if you're not ahead of the curve, you're already behind. Today, we will discuss the top 7 digital marketing trends that are dominating the landscape this year. If you're running an online business, working in the creator economy, or simply trying to grow your brand, this is the information you need right now. And hey, if you're looking for the tools I personally recommend for marketing, AI, and productivity, check out the links in the description. Some of them are affiliate links, so when you click and buy, it helps support the channel. Let's get into it. Number 7, AI-powered personalization. First up, let's talk about AI-powered personalization. Personalization isn't new, but in 2025, it's on steroids. With the explosion of generative AI tools and machine learning algorithms, brands are now delivering hyper-personalized experiences at scale. AI can now track user behavior in real time and craft tailored email sequences, personalized product recommendations, and even dynamic website content based on user intent. It's not just about using someone's first name in an email anymore, it's about crafting a full-blown user journey that feels like it was made just for them. Tools like Jasper, ActiveCampaign, and Adobe Sensei are leading this transformation, and you'll find them linked below. Number 6, short-form video dominance with AI avatars. Now let's talk video. Short-form video is still king, but with a twist. Platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts aren't just places to go viral, they're becoming serious conversion tools. In 25, marketers are optimizing short videos for direct sales with in-video shopping features, AI-enhanced editing, and data-backed storytelling. But here's the kicker. Brands are now using AI-generated avatars and voices to scale video content production without ever stepping in front of a camera. Tools like Synthesia and Pictory are making it ridiculously easy. This trend is especially powerful for solopreneurs and digital creators looking to save time and money. Number 5, voice search optimization and smart assistants. Voice search and smart assistants are finally getting the recognition they deserve. More than 60% of internet users now use voice search regularly, and in 25, marketers are optimizing for that. That means writing conversational content, adding FAQ schema to your site, and ensuring your website is mobile-first and lightning-fast. But it's not just about SEO anymore. Smart assistants like Alexa, Siri, and Google Assistant are integrating with shopping platforms. So when someone says, "Order the best protein powder," the brand that's optimized for voice wins. This is an SEO strategy most people are still sleeping on, but not you. Number 4, zero-click content for platform engagement. Now here's something that exploded this year: zero-click content. Platforms are now rewarding creators who keep users on platform rather than sending them elsewhere. Whether it's carousels on LinkedIn, native videos on X, or long-form posts on Facebook, content that doesn't require a click-through is getting boosted by algorithms. So if you're a marketer or content creator, think about how to deliver value right in the post itself. People are more likely to engage with bite-sized, self-contained nuggets of value, and that engagement feeds the algorithm. It's not just about traffic anymore, it's about attention. Number 3, community-led marketing. Next, we're seeing massive growth in community-led marketing. People don't trust ads, they trust people. That's why private communities on platforms like Discord, Slack, and Circle are becoming major revenue drivers. Brands are now creating digital spaces for superfans, customers, and insiders, then using those spaces to launch products, test ideas, and gather feedback. It's a more authentic and organic way to market. Think of it as the new version of an email list, but way more interactive. If you're not building a community in 2025, you're missing a massive opportunity. Number 2, rise of micro and nano influencers. Let's pivot to influencer marketing, but not the kind you're used to. Micro and nano influencers are dominating 2025 because they drive better engagement at a lower cost. These are creators with 1,000 to 50,000 followers, and their audiences are highly loyal and niche-specific. Brands are turning away from expensive mega influencers and instead partnering with dozens of micro creators who speak directly to their target audience. This creates a more authentic connection and leads to higher conversions. Plus, many of these deals can be performance-based, which means lower upfront costs and better ROI. It's one of the smartest moves you can make this year. Number 1. Interactive content for higher engagement. Finally, the most powerful trend this year is interactive content. Static posts are dying. People want to engage. We're talking quizzes, polls, calculators, AR filters, gamified landing pages, the kind of stuff that pulls people in and keeps them there. Interactive content boosts time on page, improves lead quality, and increases shareability. Plus, with AI, it's easier than ever to build. Tools like Outgrow and Typeform are leading the charge, and they integrate beautifully with CRM platforms and marketing funnels. If your content isn't interactive in 2025, you're losing leads. So there you have it, the top 7 digital marketing trends for 2025. I hope you found this video interesting. Don't forget to check the description for the affiliate links to the tools and platforms I mentioned throughout this video. Every click supports the channel and helps me continue creating videos like this one. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for weekly videos on online business, issuai and productivity, and leave a comment below telling me which trend you're most excited to try in 2025.